get underway. Here tonight from Southwest University Park, every time Lucho has scored on the road, San Antonio has won that match.
Wow.
Alfaro. Ruiz. Calvillo. Nice run on. Moreno pulls it back to his left, and the first shot on goal easily handled by Pablo Sisniega, former Mexican national team player. And here is Escoto. Distributes to Moreno. El Salvador international. To another. Calvillo has a go. That is partially deflected as it came in, but again, back to Alfaro. Tony Alfaro, former Seattle Sounder, won a cup with that Major League Soccer team. Out it comes Lucho. Solignac is wide. Toe to toe. Another cross in and headed out. Locomotive corner coming up. Mitch Tater. And here is the official. Nice run here. Moreno. Stauffer. Into space. Into the 18. Takes a shot. Sisniega.
That's his more. That's more easy for
Lo
me.
siento, my friend. Lo siento. Stauffer with a great effort. Sisniega tips it over the bar. First time on the volley. The other game of significance, Colorado Springs, which can sew up a playoff berth tonight. 0-0 versus Orange County, just underway. Oh my goodness, whistle just wide. How about that from Moreno? Moreno draws a big crowd. Hawkinson gets a foot to it. Moreno to control. Nevárez, he wants to have a go. Sisniega stays in front of it. 2 successive clean sheets for Locomotive FC. Of course, their old teammate Lucho would like to change that. That's nicely done. Great throw in, the shot parried away. Sisniega again on Nevárez, who still has great speed, doesn't he?
I don't know if I'm right, but one time I listened to Lucho talking to Borelli.
Hang tight. There's a shot and it trickles in. It comes to the near side and LaCava gets a toe on it. It rolls over on Pasquel. 23 goals is dead last in the championship. It'll be Ruiz, left in swinger. He was looking for goals. Sisniega had that one all the way. Select is the official match ball supplier for the USL Championship and many elite leagues throughout Europe. Flag goes up on Lucho again. I think that's about his. Watch the USL Championship on CBS Sports and ESPN platforms all season long. Live matches, expert analysis every day on CBS Sports Golazo Network and ESPN Plus. Go to USLChampionship.com for the complete USL TV listings. As we enter the 63rd minute, Locomotive will need to score over the top. Pasquel loses a handle on it to Lucho, and it's 2. A couple of rash decisions, and Lucho scores against his old team. Pasquel out to challenge, and he had to get that right. Lucho, deft touch from the Argentine, rolls it home to make it 2-0. Oh, what a touch.
What a touch.
Quality.
Yes, good touch. The Lucho has quality for that.
And no celebration from the former Locomotive player.
Respect.
Still Locomotive's all-time leading goal scorer, 35. Dangerous set-piece opportunity. Can Locomotive make something of it? Calvillo. In-swinging ball just wide of the right post. A solid effort by Calvillo. So Cabrera throwing the kitchen sink.
Fresh air, fresh
San Antonio, yes, of September. Remember that game was changed. Here's San Antonio again. Up and over the top, nicely done. Lucho. Flag is up, it wouldn't have counted, but Lucho, which will have a go. Pasquel easily handled. Good work by Moshaban. Trying to get across, he'll earn a corner. Locomotive's 9th of the night coming up. We're hearing Malik McLemore about ready to make his entrance. Locomotive takes it quickly. Moshaban drives one, and it's an own goal. That's off of Burks. Unfortunate touch for Burks, but Locomotive has a touch of hope here in the 83rd minute. They're actually going to keep Escoto on. Nevárez goes off for Malik McLemore. The free kick into the spot. The header. And almost getting there was Rivas. Great job by Ortiz to drive that to the far post. Ruiz into space for McLemore. Nice pullback. McLemore holding possession, 1 against 3, but the pass is off target. Easily picked up by Jeffal. And sent long for Lucho, who will receive. The flag stays down this time. Lucho crossing, left-footed effort. Pasquel spills it, but is in front. 88th minute. Rivas will have it. In swinging ball to the middle. Akwe. Only so far as Lyons, who puts it in the back of the net. Miles Lyons on the volley. Locomotive has tied it. What a drive by the youngster. What a response by Locomotive FC.
Wow. It's a beautiful goal. Beautiful control and then a big shot.
Locomotive desperately looking for something here. Lyons want somebody to show for that. It's Moshaban. Lyons, nice drive. In the shot, parried away Sisniega. Alfaro! Oh my goodness gracious. Pablo Sisniega is the full-time whistle. Pablo Sisniega saves San Antonio's bacon tonight.
Yes, the man of the match for me. So Sisniega's, he's having